Hey everybody, I am Dennis from elginnetwork.com, and I am here today to show you guys some of the new stuff that we got in the mail for some of our projects. And as you know, everybody likes to call me the mad scientist because I do a lot of different things. And what we got here that we're going to be working on in the next couple of weeks is going to be a couple of nice little projects. Probably I'll do some of them tomorrow and get them posted because tomorrow actually starts the for ham radio operators one of the biggest days of contesting and everything. It's called Field Day. So I'm a ham radio operator, and I have a lot of friends there, and I'm going to be going out and visiting them, and then coming back and maybe doing some more stuff. But besides working on computers and doing all that for people, I am a licensed ham radio operator, and that's what some of the projects I do is for ham radio, plus computers and boards for doing different testing of parts and stuff, and all kinds of goodies. I mean, it's all electronics, all kinds of stuff that we do here. Anyways, the other thing is I got a little behind on some stuff here because we kind of got busy because we actually opened up again, the state, and we're kind of close to being fully open now. So I was busy with company stuff and getting things done and over to the shop. I had an allergy problem, which I'm still fighting with. But anyways, here we go. The nice postman brought me this little package that I've been waiting for. And what this is this is a QRP Labs Adreno shield. So basically what this is it is a shield that you put on the Adreno, and it allows you to do basically right now they have the coding for what we call Whisper, which what it does is it sends out your exact location and see how far it can go, and somebody will actually see it, and you see it on a map and you can see how far your signal is going. So that's one thing it's going to work on. There's other stuff you can do with this. I'm working on seeing about different programming for it, so I'm going to be working with that. I got some more stuff coming from them. Another part with that, which this is the synthesizer for sending the tones or whatever else. It also helps to set up the frequency, what frequencies you're going to be on and everything. You go through this little card here with that. And then this right here is what we call the low pass filter, and this one here basically I picked up, which is a 40 meg, because where I'm at here in Illinois, it seems like with that and with all the issues with sunspots, 40 meg seems to be pretty good most of the time. So I decided to get that one for now, and I can add more later. So from the QRP Labs, this is one of the projects I'm going to be working on in the near future. And one of the other things that we ended up getting is a couple of these, and I'll open up one. So considering these are just came in, what these are is these are kind of a serial to USB, and what they do is they help to connect to the minis or nano Arduinos, and you can plug in your USB here. This goes into the board. There's an end on the board that you can plug it into, and then this way you can program it through this. Once you're done, you can take this out, and there's another way that you can power the board through the pins, and you don't need this anymore, and it's got all the information on the memory of the board. So I ended up getting 3 of these in the mail. So we're going to put that little guy aside for now, and we'll show you how to use those later. And the other thing I've got here is I'm going to open this guy up, and I'm going to be soldering this and putting this together very shortly. This is a very small Arduino. This is actually an Arduino, and it plugs right directly into your USB port. And this is a 85, but it's got very little programming. You have a couple of pins here, a couple of pins here, and you can set it up to do small things. Once you're done setting this up, you can actually have pins on this to put on a board or whatever you want to do. There's the power connectors here, and it can also be programmed and put in a box, whatever, for your different projects. So we've got this little guide that I'm going to show how to use and play with, and this is how small things are getting. I mean, these are fun little toys. Not a lot of memory, but they work with what you want to do with little projects, like if you want to make your own weather station, these are great for that. And so that's why I get these little things and have fun programming it. So we'll be showing that later on. And then this guy here, this is a parabolic antenna, for those who don't know. And this is a little receiver with software that I run on the machine through the USB. And then we've also put this antenna up, which we can connect to our network with it. And basically what this does is it allows me to see if anybody is trying to connect to my network. And by having the dish here, I can actually turn it and find out where the signal is strongest, and I can tell where they're coming from outside trying to connect to me. So it's kind of a little spy deal in a way, but we use this to find out where different how should I say, receptions or people trying to steal Wi-Fi or whatever. We use these for that. It can be used for other things too. Some people use them to listen in on systems and try to get people's passwords and stuff, but we don't do that here. Anyway, so I got that, and that's about it this week. That's kind of a slow week with stuff, but that's what we got. And hope everybody's safe and everybody's good. And I will be back probably tomorrow. I'll probably have a live session tomorrow. Basically, I'm going to be putting some stuff together. I'm probably going to go over the D-Star, DRM, and Yaesu hotspot that I have. I got that together, and what I'm going to show you is how to set it up and program it so you can use it in your home. And then the other thing is I'll probably put the Arduino Shield together, work on that, and have that live tomorrow for field day for those who want to see how to do that. So it's kind of being exciting with some stuff, but I'll have more videos as I go along. We're actually prepared the company, made some changes and stuff, so a little busy with that. I'm still going to be working at home for a while because it's just nicer. Don't have to get out. But anyways, for those who are ham radios operators 73 and everybody else, see you in the next video, and thank you. And don't forget to like this channel. We're trying to get a lot of people going. I'm coming up with some gifts. One I showed a while ago, and I'll probably put that in another video again, let people know. The 100th person that I get who watches my channel, I will be sending them out a piece of test equipment, which I'll show you, so they can have that for free. And I'll have other giveaways, but for now, see ya later. The mad scientist is going to have fun.